Hello, I'm Ian of Mobilant. The TSDZ2 motor has been upgraded to the new TSDZ2B motor. First, I would like to inform you that there is a video board with addresses for motor repair and installation for replacement parts. When speaking of the best mid-drive motor kit among electric bike kits, with a reasonable price and adequate power to assist pedaling, I would say the TSDZ2B motor. Most bikes are compatible with the motor kit, and it is often installed on hardtails, MTB, road bikes, and 20-inch mini bikes. It has also been officially imported and sold in Korea, selling at a very reasonable price. Unlike other bike motor kits, this motor has a pedaling torque sensor that recognizes human leg power. This feature enables very smooth and safe bike riding. You can enjoy the riding sport with an overflowing feeling and fun, as the motor helps as much as you push the pedal with your leg strength. The most widely used speed sensor method, which only recognizes the rotation speed of the pedal, has had a problem with the sudden jump of the bike forward. In particular, because the motor can't detect the strength of a person's legs, I don't feel at all like I'm doing cycling sports. Because users often overuse the motor on hills, it's a motor that requires careful use. Regardless, it's a motor that's popular despite having a lot of complaints. So a new model that has improved some of these problems has been released. The part that had the most problems, the Onue clutch, has been redesigned and improved. The deceleration gear kit has been changed to an integral unit that cannot be separated. Now that the Onue bearing is no longer used, it can be seen that the cause of failures has been greatly improved. In addition, the motor's resistance has been reduced by upgrading to a new two-way through-heel ring clutch instead of a one-way clutch, so even if the motor is turned off, the electric bike can be ridden like a regular bike. The old motor required the use of a steel bend or a dedicated holder, making installation difficult. But the motor bracket has been embossed like a Bafang motor, so the motor no longer moves or gets flipped over and slides down. Finally, the persistent problem area has finally been improved and released. Excellent! If you order the new TSDZ2B motor, please refer to the video board link. Motor output is available from 750 watts to 250 watts and 48 volts to 36 volts. The motor produces 80 Nm of torque power and is very lightweight at 3.6 kilograms. The best value motor kit is back. The video board has addresses for product sales and motor repair and installation for parts exchange. Please refer to it. Subscriptions and clicks help a lot in making the video. Thank you for watching.